topic for today is about the piping around pumps, part 2. The purpose of this video to provide the layout designer guidelines for developing piping designs that fully consider safety, operation, maintenance, and economics. Exclusion. All or part of this guide may be superseded by client mandatory standards or by the codes and regulation imposed by governmental jurisdiction covering the location where the piping is installed. Design considerations. Safety. Proper conditions for personal safety around pumps requires piping and valve arrangements that do not obstruct access for operation, maintenance, or egress. Care must be exercised not to create piping hazards with auxiliary piping. Operation. Pumps normally require minimal attention during operation. Valves, however, must be located for easy access. This is particularly true for paired or spared pumps, where manual valves cannot be operated from the grade. Chain operators shall be used. If chain operators are allowed per client specification, platform access to the valve is to be provided or considered. Maintenance. Piping shall be arranged in a manner to allow adequate access to the pump without requiring excessive dismantling of piping system. The coupling between the pumps and its driver must be easily accessed in order to align the pumps and driver. Pump cell access must also be considered. Piping must be kept clear from above the pump or horizontally split pump casing to allow maintenance. For vertical split casing, access must be provided in front of the pumps. Clearance for forklifts or mobile cranes should be provided for maintenance. In cases where pumps are located in a building or areas where overhead access is limited, monorails or rigging beams should be considered for removal of the pump and motor. Type of pumps. Pumps are available in many different types. The most common are centrifugal, reciprocating, and rotary. Reciprocating and rotary pumps are positive displacement pumps. Centrifugal pumps will usually be one of the three types: horizontal, vertical, inline, or vertical can type. They may have electric motors or steam turbine drivers, which can use as example in the horizontal and vertical line and vertical can type centrifugal. And reciprocating pumps may have direct steam piston driver. Shout out sa lahat na nanood dyan. Pump location. Pump location will affect the piping layout and how the piping can be supported. Pumps in flammable service shall be located outboard of the overhead pipe racks or structures. Those in non-flammable service may be located beneath the pipe rack or structures. Pump shall be located as close as possible to the source of suction in order to minimize pressure drop in the system, while satisfying piping flexibility requirements and nozzles load allowable. Line size and temperature should be determined factors in routing the piping. Before we will continue to the next discussion, I would like to shout out my Lucky Boss channel member na si Touch of Beauty by Sally. Isa siyang monetized channel. Kung hindi kayo nakasubscribe sa kanya, subscribe kayo. At her content is about beauty. The next one is Kagimba TV. Isa siyang monetized channel and he has also a join button. Kung hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe sa kanya, subscribe kayo. At kung gusto nyo magpa-member sa kanya, just hit the join button. And that's it. You will be the member of Kagimba TV. The next one is si Bicolana Española. Her content is about travel and food, lifestyle. So siya monetized channel and she has also a join button. Kung hindi kayo nakasubscribe sa kanya, subscribe na kayo. At kung hindi pa kayo nakapamember sa kanya, just hit the join button. Okay, let's continue. Discharge piping flow characteristic normally will not affect the performance of the reliability of the recorded dynamics pump. A few exceptions exist in a situation in which high energy pump may be sensitive to flow disturbing fittings mounted close to the pump discharge lines. Sudden valve closures might cause excessive high water humming due to pressure spikes to the reflective pump to the pump, possible causing damage to the pump. Discharge piping might affect pump starting, stopping, and priming. The discharge piping configuration also might alter any discharge flow recirculation that might extend into the discharge piping at very low flow. This could have a small effect on the head developed by pump. General pump piping arrangement. Pump suction piping shall be arranged such that the flow is as smooth and uniform as practicable at the pump suction nozzle. To accomplish this, the use of keys, corrosive valves, strainers, near run size bands, connections, and short radius elbows shall be avoided near to the suction nozzle. Suction piping shall be designed without high points to prevent collection of vapor. Suction piping shall not be pocketed. When pump flanges are flat face, leading flanges must be also flat face, and the joint made up using whole face gasket. Multiple pump arrangement that connects to the common discharge header shall have the discharge connected to the header such as the discharges of pumps simultaneously do not oppose one another. The suction line for all is designed to EPI recommendation that connect to EPI pumps with in-pump side suction. For EPI inline pumps shall have a straight run of 5 pipe diameter nozzles between the suction lines and the first elbow T-bar user of permanent strainer. The suction line for pumps other than EPI shall have a minimum straight run length of 3 pipe diameter. This straight run should be maximized, but in any case, the pump manufacturer recommendation shall be followed. Shout out to my BB Boss channel member, Home CPA. Isa siyang monetized channel and he has also a join button. Kung hindi kayo nakasubscribe sa kanya, hit the subscribe button, and kung hindi rin kayo naka-join sa membership niya, hit the join button to join here. The next one is Pretty Alexa Love. Isa siyang monetized channel at kung hindi kayo nakasubscribe sa kanya, subscribe kayo sa kanya. isa siyang mabait na YouTuber at matutulong especially yung mga Americans. And the next one is Kwentong Osisero. Ito siyang monetize channel at may join button din siya. Kung hindi kayo nakasubscribe sa kanya, subscribe kayo sa kanya, at kung hindi kayo naka-join sa membership niya, just hit the join button para ma-member na kayo sa kanya. And the next one is si Mission Dano. Isa siyang monetize channel at may membership button din siya, join button. Kung hindi kayo nakasubscribe sa kanya, subscribe na kayo sa kanya. At kung gusto niyo magpa-member sa channel membership niya, just hit the join button. Yun, mag-member ka na. The next one is si The Batal Diary. Yun, isa na siyang 1,000 subscribers at hindi pa siya monetize. At kung hindi kayo nasa-subscribe sa kanya, subscribe kayo sa kanya para madagdagan yung subscriber niya at panoorin nyo yung video niya. At shout out na rin to the 4D Pipers Vloggers, Kuya A, NCR Adventures, A-Live at si Aaron Bunjun. Kung hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe sa kanila, subscribe na kayo nang matulungan niya sila. By the way, isa silang Pipers. And if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell in order you to be notified automatically. Ito si Boss Lloyd's channel. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye!